The new battery looks a bit different, but the electrical specs are still the same. So I'll show the main differences with a full step-by-step battery replacement and what to expect after installation. Loosen the negative terminal first, which is the smaller of the two terminals, and then the positive. And that's because, well, it's all explained in this video link on the screen. Loosen the positive clamp with this nut closest to the positive post. Then there's one bolt down at the base of the battery to remove the hold-down bracket. Now the new battery needs this lip to slide into the slot at the back, and some batteries don't have them, so we use this one recommended by the manufacturer. If we compare the height of the old and new battery casings, they're almost identical, but the posts on this one sits about 20 millimeters lower, so installing the positive feels a bit like a squash. But once that's tight, check that the negative terminal can reach, and before connecting it, install the bracket first. If you find these videos helpful, please consider subscribing. It's free and as simple as tapping the button below the video. A lot of effort goes into making these videos, so help us get these numbers up. We've installed an enhanced flooded battery similar to the original 60 amp hour, which should be in the 450 cranking amps range. Just be sure to get the one with a base mount if you're buying online. There were no warnings on startup, and a radio code isn't necessary. Even the one-touch windows still work. Now that you've mastered installation, learn how to maximize the life out of your car battery by watching this video.